What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys at thebomb.com. Now, in today's video, I am sharing with you a July week 3 update of my business income that is solely from RochelleAdamson.com, and I am so happy that you guys support me and you buy my products and you share reviews with me. Let me know that how your journey is going. Let me know how you are saving more money, you are budgeting, you are paying off debt, you are just killing it. It is so motivating for me as I continue on our debt-free journey. If you are new to my channel, my name is Rochelle, and my family and I have been able to become mortgage free in the year 2021. We are now in saving season, which means all of our money goes to debt or savings, and we are hoping to build our emergency fund back up so that we can continue to knock out more debt. If you want to see how we budget it all while cash stuffing, this is the video for you. Okay, so I am inside of my planner per usual, RochelleAdamson.com. I do have digital and physical copies, so definitely check it out if you are looking for another budgeting style. So for this week, we were able to bring in a total income of $564.18. And this is for the week of, I think it was 7/10 to 7/16. So even though I'm saying this week, it really was income from last week. But that's crazy that I could bring in $564 of income. That is, oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let's talk about how we're going to spend it. Well, first off, the saga continues. I still am working to pay off my business credit card. I do buy things in bulk, and so it's just the reality. I have debt. But I am at the point now where after I pay off this card this time, I will be able to cash flow that. Like, it will be I will be able to use part of my income to cover those expenses. So I'm excited. I'm excited. So anyway, I sent $208.18 to the credit card so it could get its balance lowered. Then we are going to contribute $120 to our cash stuffing today. And then what else? Oh, I left $100 of that money in my business buffer account, or business account as a buffer, just so that, you know, if something clears that I forget about or whatever, it's there. Then I pulled out $90 cash for us to contribute to business taxes, because it is what it is. And then I set aside $46 to pay the independent contractor that helps me out immensely with my business. It's money well spent. And normally I pay that out monthly, like, you know, because I usually budget this income monthly, but I've been really challenging myself to start to budget this money on a weekly basis while things are busy. It's not always like this, and so I just want to make sure I'm being intentional with every dollar. So if you add all of that up, it equals $564.18. Now let's stuff some cash. Okay, so I have my cash breakdown here with the rest of my denominations left over from last video. So we are going to be stuffing a total of $210. Let's go ahead and start by stuffing our business taxes. So I'm inside of my business wallet, and we are going to stuff a total of $90. I don't know why I thought it was 95, but it really is 90. So we might have $5 extra, which is never a bad thing. We definitely have to do an expense cash out for the taxes. So somebody told me in my last video that I messed up here, and so I probably don't have $1,692. Let's see how much I have, because we want to make sure that's correct. So 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, plus 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 135, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So plus 142 equals 1642. Thank you so much for realizing my mistake. You guys keep me honest. You keep me on track. See, I would have been fussing, thinking somebody stole some money from me. And that is why I share this journey, because I'm by no means perfect. So that should be $16.42. Okay, and to this money we are contributing $90. So 50, 70, 90. And then, yeah, 90. So now if we add that up, we have 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1550, 1570, 1590, 1610, 1630, 1650, 1670, 1690, 1710, 1720, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So 1732. And now it is definitely time for me to clean this off. So we added another $90. And today is 7/18. So that is awesome. So I'll definitely be doing an expense cash out for this money in an upcoming video. Okay, now that that's done, we've been responsible with that money. Now let's go over to my wallet. I'm going to give myself $20. Oh, okay. And then I am going to give groceries another $20. So now it has 70. Yo, food is just crazy. We went to the market, regular market last night and spent like $230. I'm looking at the cart like, cart? Do you cost $238? Like, we got a good amount, maybe like $150, but I don't think it should have costed $238. But anyway, that's where we are. Tips is going to get $5. Then, let's see, eating out is going to get $20. We have really cut back on the eating out. I'm so proud of us. We've really been pushing to eat better, to eat at home, all that good stuff. It's working so far. It's working. And I think that's it for my wallet. Might come back to it later because I think I got an extra $5 burning a hole in my pocket. And then we are going to stuff beauty. Beauty is going to get $20. And it now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 171. $171. We added 20 on the 18th. Okay, and then next up, let's give I'm giving myself money because we already stuffed Eva and Micah for the week in another video. So I'm giving myself $5. It now has $5, $10, $15, $20. And then Hawaii is getting $20. It now has 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, 295, 296. Chugging right along. Oh, I need to update this. 296. So apparently I added 40 overtime. And I don't think I updated mine. Yeah. Plus 5 is 20. And then I have $10 left. What's the other $5? Oh, almost forgot. Well, I'm going to put my extra $5 in Tesla. Because, honey, tires. 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 175. planes I'm ignoring. And then I forgot to put $5 in our miscellaneous, but I think I'm going to put it in hubby and Eva because I always end up, you know, wanting to buy an ice cream or something. I don't know, just something just for them. And that is our video for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Let me know how your budgets are going, your cash stuffing is going, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.